Yo, good day all. Welcome back with me, Chris and Adit. Now we're heading to some places which always hidden gem in Bali. And once we arrive, we will let you know where we are. And stay tuned with my new channel here to explore more hidden gem in Bali. Now where we are?
We are in Depot Leti in Tabanan, Sembum.
Okay, why it would be, you say it's the famous restaurant for babi guling in Bali?
I think not really in Bali, just in Tabanan.
Oh, in Tabanan.
Just in here.
So everyone in Tabanan always be here.
Always here.
But I've been here before with my friends, and we just see like, oh, there's a babi guling, and seems like there's a lot of people coming here. I think it's just the reason why. And you see there's a lot of visitors who stop by for lunch, and let's try and review. So, Kadek, oftentimes you coming here. What does it taste like?
Rasanya itu seperti besar, seperti Disney. Really good, really good.
And seems like
nice.
The taste is the break one.
The break hurt my break heart.
You break my heart, break my heart.
But I'm quite scared, Kadek, now because it's quite have a heavy rain here. We're confused. This is June, and why heavy rain? But let's see. If you want to go to Sekumpul, it is better to go by car for safety. But if you won't go by bike, please ride carefully because you will maneuver up and down hills. It takes around 2 hours from Denpasar city, and I'm sure you will enjoy the scenery along the trip. I really love it. It is almost close to Sekumpul Waterfall. After 2 hours of driving by car, I'm going down using my friend's bike. His name is Gede. He's one of the locals who lives in here. So now we are in one of the greatest waterfall in Bali, and let's see. We will visit the first waterfall here because there's 3 different places here. We almost arrived to first place in Sekumpul Waterfall is Fiji. Now we are in the first waterfall in Sekumpul. The first waterfall is Fiji. I've never been to Fiji before, but the other waterfall is Sekumpul. I've been there, and yeah. Only 2 hours to take me here. It's worth it with these amazing waterfalls.
Air terjun selanjutnya apa nih, Bang?
The next is Sekumpul, if I'm not mistaken. And after Sekumpul, it's hidden. Or yeah. My friend Saddam has been here before.
Gunung Batukaru.
As a foreigner traveling worldwide, he said this is the real Indonesia Jurassic Park. Let us see if it is the same as what he said, or it's just a common waterfall. Now we are on the last waterfall in Sekumpul called the Hidden. On the last Sekumpul Waterfall places called the Hidden. This is my favorite one. So thank you for following me on this Sekumpul Waterfall. See you on the next trip. Adios. And Adit.
Hello,
Now we're going to. So what do you say?
Hello, I'm Adit.